Oh yeah, you got a leaf bug on your finger. Oh yeah. Yeah, leaf bug. You got two. Wow. Now wait, before you grab them, make sure they're not something that can sting you, okay? Just got to be sure what you're touching. Yeah, most of what's here is safe. But just be sure, don't pinch them, okay? Because sometimes they can sting. What do you have in there? Hey, Nate. Oh, let's see what's in here. Oh, there's a damselfly.
Should we get a picture of that? We'll swear.
Probably.
Let's get a picture. Put it in there. Here we go. That's called an azure bluet. That's nice.
I'm taking videos.
That's a damselfly. It's like a dragonfly. I'll put it in the. I'll put it over there.
What is this?
That's a leaf bug. Okay. Put it over here.
Nate, calm down, buddy. We don't yell.
Wow, you're a magnet for those, aren't you?